Hello. You've probably seen my first episode of The Annoying Puffle, Plumpkin. Yeah, that pumpkin totally got chopped up. But it was for Halloween. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce that for some reason. Anyways, we made a T-shirt. I hope you can see that. That shop link is in description. But today, the annoying puffle will annoy the microwave. Let's start it. Hey! Hey microwave! Hey microwave! Hey! What? What? What is it? I'm bored. Finally! I'm getting tired of your annoying jokes. Oh wait, I got one. Ugh. Listen. Make me microwave something. Don't annoy me. Microwave? Don't you mean cook? Same thing. Hey, microwave. What? Uh-oh. Oh, poor microwave. He looks like he couldn't handle that hammer. Ah, hammer. Hey, what's that? Coming soon. So, as you can see, this was the season teaser for season 1. I hope you enjoyed it. And for season 2, I hope I could get something new to add faces to items. Bye.